my life in such a positive, uplifting way. Honestly, to get to express myself through music and movement just fully and connect with everyone that I get to share the program with, whether it's children, adults, teens, it doesn't matter. We get to speak a universal language that everyone can understand, and that uplifts me and it just allows me to give so much energy to the world and get it all back. So this program is just love, love, love.
The power that we have to make an impact in the world is to help people, whether it's kids, teens, or adults, feel more confident when they're moving their bodies. And we use dance as a vehicle to get people motivated to move. So using the power of music and movement, they come to our classes and they feel confident, and they're also developing fundamental movement skills.
Growing up, I played a ton of sports. I played football, basketball, hockey, you name it, I played it. As I got older, I just got a lot of concussions and injuries from my sports, and I was missing that passion. I was missing that outlet of activity and movement. And I found dance play, and it changed my life. And this was 4 years ago, and I haven't looked back, and it's been so wonderful and amazing.
I'm a dance play instructor because I took one class and fell in love with it and realized just deep in my soul, deep in my heart, that I needed to get this out there. Like, I really feel that dance play is part of what I came to the planet to do, is inspire kids through movement, inspire adults, inspire communities to come together through movement and music. So it really has impacted my life in a profound way.
Dance play has impacted my life because I'm a person without dance background that absolutely loves to move, and so it's brought me a way to bring it to the dance that I love to kids and to teachers.
It's not just dance. We're not just getting a workout and moving. It's more. It's being positive. It's teaching people to be themselves and embrace who they are, and to have fun and to lighten up, which I absolutely love.
I want every single person in the world to have one moment where every single day they get a chance to just be present in their body and feel how awesome it is to be alive today.
Since dance play came into my life, it's completely revitalized my love and passion for dance.
No matter what happens, no matter what stress they have in their life, or things that are happening, when they're moving their bodies, they get to forget about that. They get to dissolve that energy and spend the energy and let all that stuff go, and then have that moment at the end of our class where we put our hands out and say, I am awesome, and actually saying it to yourself consciously and remembering in that one moment in your day just helps you feel more alive and grateful for what you do have every day.
I'm a really big believer in enjoying the journey and enjoying the process, and the fact that everyone leaves with a huge smile on their face, super sweaty, and really just feeling super energized and really positive is an absolute gift that I get to bring that to other people's lives, and be able to create that experience for others is amazing.